afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo at Parkway RV Center, and you're going to hear something I don't say very often. We're actually going to review a brand new camper today, and just got this one set up. Guys, this is a 2022 brand new Forest River NOBO, no boundaries, 10.6. Guys, this is more like an off-road camper with a, made to go camping where others can't. And it's a really cool camper. It's a brand new one for under 20 grand. I mean, for those of you who are into Jeeps and off-roading and stuff like that, this is ideal for that scenario. It's something you can use comfortably with or without hookups. And just a neat little camper. It's a toy hauler, of course, 10.6. It only weighs 1,922 pounds, and it's only 13 feet 10 inches long total length. So pretty much tow it with anything. It's got some really cool features, guys. And I had one of these before. These things online, other dealerships are $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000 more. Y'all see the price I got on this one, guys. And that's no fee. You see these other new dealers, they don't tell you about dock fees and prep fees and all that other junk they charge, and destination fees that they charge. Guys, that's my out the door price plus sales tax. That's it. And I actually got two of these in stock, so it was pretty cool. And I do have the Batwing Awning. It's a little bit windy today, so I didn't set it up. Before I get into it, let me pause the video for a second. I'm going to get on the internet and find a stock photo of one with the Batwing set up. It's an awning that covers the entire side and the back. Hang on one second, I'll pop that up. And you can see, guys, I've got a lot of shade that Batwing will throw out on this camper. That's why it's great, such a great camper for off-roading. For camping without hookups and with hookups. Let me show you what one not folded out looks like. I actually got two of these in stock, same equipment, same price. So that's my display model. I'll sell it second. I'll sell this one first because they're exactly the same. And you can see one extreme to the other. And what's cool about this, you can roll these around by hand with a little two-wheeler. You know, if you're worried about camping or something like that, you can put the wheel on the bottom, you can roll it around by hand. But that's how small they are compared to this one. Of course, you got the roof rack tent, the Batwing Awning, got the dual spare tires, all-terrain tires, stabilizer jacks, outside kitchen. Really cool, guys, really cool. MSRP is almost 28 grand. I've got it for 19.9. And I see the reason why I like these 10.6s versus the 10.5 is I like the toy hauler. And it's not really for, I'm not planning on anybody buying this of towing anything, even though I'm certainly sure you could put something in the back. It's just the fact that you can lower that back door down, have that screen up, let plenty of fresh air in. So if you're boondock camping, you'll really appreciate that extra ventilation. But yeah, this is a cool, let's look at the tent real quick. Tent, I believe, is 500 pounds. Ladder is 350. So I'm barely good for the ladder. Look up in here, guys, and you can see inside the tent, this is actually two people my size can sleep in here. And you've got, it's FSR High Country Series. You've got, there's your shoe holder. Here's you some more shoe holders. And this has also got all your extra paperwork and stuff like that in it. This ladder folds up, and this whole camper sets up and down in just a few minutes. It's not that complicated. And we'll show you how to do that, of course. You got a little extra shade there, and it's got a cover for the tent when it's folded up to keep the moisture and the rain out. 30 amp electrical service. I'm just plugged into 15 right now. Show you inside of it, guys. I did opt for the optional 13,500 BTU roof air, just in case you were staying at a campground or running a generator, even though right now, you know, with that screen door open, plenty of ventilation out here. Very, very comfortable. And especially if you open both these doors up, get cross ventilation too, your entry doors. This is your cover. In here is just some extra storage. And there's your power cord. That's your Rhino step, so that you can actually you can set that on the wheel well and get to the roof, because this has got the Rhino rack J-rack kayak holder. So you can put your kayak on the roof. It's already got that installed. You can see you're out there behind the Batwing awning. Your outside kitchen folds out. You've got 2-burner stovetop. Always got to have your bottle opener, additional storage under there. This is a Truma 12-volt or 110 compressor cooler. And these things work very well. I've got one in my van. And you can actually put an app on your phone and control it. And it's got a control panel on the side, as well as a safe right here. And all this slides up out of the way when you're not needing it. Got all LED lights, so low battery consumption if you're boondock camping. Little spice rack right here, a little cooking area right here. Does have a spray port too for water right here. And I've got all of this stuff inside the refrigerator for that. Of course, there's your sprayer. Got the Asdale panels on the outside, so you never have to worry about delamination. This couch makes a bed, so theoretically this thing can sleep 4 people. And you've got a couple of pop-up tables. Now, this is a crawl-in model. It's not one you're going to stand up in unless you're really, really, really short. So, and this is why I like the toy hauler, and this is why I went with the toy hauler. You're sitting here, you know, reading a book or drinking your coffee. Of course, I don't really have a good view right here. Man, you can just sit here, chill out, relax, look at Mother Nature, enjoy the view. Got the screen to keep the bugs out, fresh air coming in. I mean, I know this type of camping may not be for everybody, but and this is the kind of stuff I grew up doing before getting into RVs, and this is really nostalgic. I mean, this is a whole lot better than a tent or a pop-up, guys. But you still got a solid camper. You got some pop-out vents on each side. One right here, and one right there on the other side of the door. You've got some cup holders on the wall. Storage behind us. Breakers and fuses and all that stuff, so everything's built to standards. Neat little camper, guys. Full factory warranty. It's a brand new camper, so you do get a full factory Forest River warranty, which is 1 year bumper to bumper. And I believe, I asked the salesperson to verify this, but I believe it's 3 years comprehensive warranty. They'll go over all that with you. But yeah, cool little camper. And really, guys, you know, this is Parkway RV Center. You know it's a great deal. I've got 2 of these for $19.9 while they last. And like I said, I know that's kind of a niche audience that likes these type of campers. This is like for the Jeep crowd, the off-road crowd, deer hunters. I mean, back when I was deer hunting, I'd love to have something like this. Especially with that rooftop tent. That's really awesome. That's probably where I would sleep. And it is waterproof too. You've got a waterproof cover for it. But here is the build sheet and the pricing on it. And even though I get in a little bit of trouble for doing this, because I price my stuff below map pricing. All right, 2022 10.6. Got the Discover package. Got the little Bluetooth speaker that's in the safe. Got all the LED lighting. Got the LED entry step light, scare lights, counter. Well, I guess you'd call these countertops. These little tables. It's got the air conditioner. It's got the Overlander package. Overlander's got the J Cradle kayak holder, Rhino rack, and there's a ton of accessories you can actually buy for that Rhino rack, and you can go right from Rhino rack instead of Forest River to order it. So there's a ton of different attachments you can get for it. Got, of course, I ordered it with the AC and the heat. It's got a 5,500 BTU heat strip for the AC. That will roast you in this little space right here, guys. Got the cold weather package. You got extended season camping. The Batwing Awning, that's almost $1,000 option, so you get shade around two sides of it. You've got the rear ramp door screen. That's $108, which that's pretty much a necessity to me with that rear ramp door. And of course, a NOBO nest. Rooftop tent. That is almost a $2,500 option, guys. This thing's got over $9,000 in options. Base price of $18,900. MSRP $27,900. There's my price, guys. $19,900. I got two of them exactly the same colors, options, everything. They're $19,900 each while they last. If you're interested in this little camper, give us a call. This thing should sell quick because hardly anybody's got any of these in stock. And I didn't see any of them for this price with the rooftop tent. I've seen a couple without the Batwing, without the tent. But hey, if you're going to buy this style camper, you need that tent and that Batwing, guys. It makes it very, very unique. And of course, we'll PDI it, show you how to work everything. We do a full PDI on these things, above and beyond what Forest River requires us to do, which is very important with any dealer you buy from on new RVs. Because we can catch and fix a lot more factory defects by doing our own PDI and versus using the one Forest River sent. So hey, that's less warranty claims for you. It's more time you can camp, less time it's going to spend in a service department. And if you got questions about that, give us a call, guys. We do not add PDI fees like a lot of new dealers do. We don't add anything. We don't have upsells. Well, the only thing we add, sales tax to the price. That's it. You know, everywhere else you go buy a new one, here comes all the upsells, the extended warranty, gap insurance, roadside assistance, and service packages, and all this stuff, guys, that is not worth the paper it's written on. We don't do that here. This thing right here, this is a cool camper, guys. I like this. I tell you, if I was a little bit younger, a little bit lighter weight, I could see myself using something like this. Because I love getting out in the woods away from everybody, just kind of in the wilderness and the free campsites and all that stuff. But the fact is, guys, is $19,900 plus tax. I guarantee the out-the-door price on this thing is cheaper than probably any other one you can find in the country for the out-the-door. And no upsells, guys. All those upsells are marked up 4 times dealer cost. Dealers have got the public brainwashed into thinking they have to have all that. All you need is a factory warranty that's included with the price, and that's it. Anything else, you're just throwing your money away. And 1,922 pounds, 13 feet 10 inches, 2 of them in stock. And we'll give you a full demonstration. $19,900, haggle-free firm. If you're interested, give us a call. 706-965-7929. Remember, only 2 of these in stock, and it's going to be months before I have any more. Forest River is still having a continuous price raise every quarter, so the next ones you see I have in stock after these 2 may be $21,900, maybe $22,900, maybe higher than that. I don't know. It's unpredictable. Some of these things have gone up several $1,000s. I haven't been able to get one of these in a while because of the shortages of the tents. But yeah. $19,900 as of today. I got 2 of them in stock while they last. Call 706-965-7929. Financing is available with approved credit down payment. We offer nationwide delivery for $1.50 a mile one way if you need it. And we don't charge for the return trip. No fees, no dock fees, no prep fees, no marked up interest rates. You know, just easy, simple, and done. Haggle-free, firm pricing. Doesn't get any easier than that to buy from us, guys. That's why we sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. I don't get many new ones, but I do have some NOBOs I've kind of been collecting and saving up. I'll try to shoot another one. We got a 20.4 brand new floor plan. I've got 2 more that are ready. We're bringing in the next few days. I got a 19.6 in stock. I've got a 19.3 coming in. And I have a 16.6 coming in. They haven't made the 16 series in almost a year, and I got one of the first ones off the line. And then I still got that 19.8 unplugged package one that will be ready sometime in May. That's the latest I heard. And that's it is a prototype. I'm only one of the very few they're going to make as a test subject. But it's a 19.8 NOBO with the solar capabilities to run the AC on solar for several hours without shore power or generator. That's going to be really cool. I can't wait to try that one out. Solar technology is getting better and better, guys. Anyway, I'll have it in May. Of course, it's not cheap. That's a $10,000 option for that solar, for that unplugged package. But you know, if you like boondock camping, you're going to be able to stay cool without running a noisy generator or going to a campground. Well, thank y'all for watching so much. I appreciate it. And smash me a thumbs up if you like the video. Feel free to comment, share on social media. And look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.